talk of reducing fuel burn and emissions tends to focus on making aircraft more efficient in flight. But if airliners could taxi to and from the runway without using engines, it would result in significant fuel and maintenance cost savings without leaving the ground. Honeywell and Safran, through their Electric Green Taxiing System, or EGTS joint venture, are testing a system in which electric power generated by the auxiliary power unit drives electric motors in the main wheels, enabling the aircraft to accelerate, turn and even reverse with engines off. The system has been tested on an Airbus A320. EGTS estimates its electric taxiing system will save up to 4% of block fuel costs for an A320 making a 500 nautical mile trip, avoiding the typical 20 minutes of single-engine taxiing time. A 50 kilowatt electric motor is built into the outer wheel on each main gear leg. Controlled from the cockpit, EGTS is powerful enough to accelerate an A320 or a Boeing 737 to 20 knots in 90 seconds, or 18 knots at maximum takeoff weight. The system will also be capable of accelerating the aircraft to 10 knots in 20 seconds to cross an active runway. It will have sufficient power to achieve breakaway torque on a 1.5% slope at maximum takeoff weight. The installed system is expected to weigh around 150 kilograms per wheel. Tests were conducted at Montpellier in France in May, and EGTS was demonstrated at the Paris Air Show in June. So far, testing on the A320 has covered more than 160 kilometers. The joint venture is aiming to launch development and certification of the system next year with one or more aircraft manufacturers, and for the electric taxiing system to be available for forward fit on next generation single aisles in 2016 to 2017.